Hey there, YouTube. Came back with another video. It's been a while, but that's what I've been up to right here. Got a little, nothing special, just a little gigabyte gigabyte board. Fixing it, putting it into a Dell Inspiron 530 tower. Had to make a few minor adjustments down here. Cut a little bit out for to make adjustments. Getting the power supply stuff ready. Got the processor coming on its way here. All that good stuff. So gotta be sticking around because I'll be videoing that stuff too. Got other boards and stuff too, but they're not worth really posting on here. But just let me know some just suggestions on what I should do, what I should go with as far as video card wise. This is how I'm gonna try to get some more editing videos and stuff out there for you guys. Already got hard drive, all that good stuff, DDR3 RAM. Yeah, I know it's pretty old compared to new technology these days, but it's worth it. Alright, catch you guys on the flip side.